Businessman passed away after reportedly hurling himself from hospital roof. Hi again and welcome. This is Link 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Link 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Link 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Link 007 TV News Report. A 61-year-old St. Thomas man passed away on Monday after reportedly hurled himself from the third floor of the Princess Margaret Hospital in the parish. The Police Corporate Communication Unit, the CCU, confirmed the incident. The deceased has been identified as Sir Warren, a business operator who hails from Trinityville in the parish. Reports are that about 1:50 a.m., Warren, who was admitted to the hospital on Sunday, was reportedly seen climbing through a window. Hospital staff reportedly made an attempt to stop him, but he subsequently rolled off the ledge. Last year, a female who was a suspected COVID patient reportedly fell to her death after an escape attempt from the isolation ward at the National Chest Hospital. The woman reportedly fell in a vent and sustained injuries which resulted in her loss of life. We'll continue to track this story and provide more information to come on this. This has been Link 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.